Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today we're heading out thrifting and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. I love showing you guys what the possibilities are at the thrift store. I think if you're looking for affordable, unique, one-of-a-kind pieces, you should go thrifting. I hope this video inspires you to go thrifting if you don't already, and if you do go thrifting, I hope you enjoy coming along with me. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. Let's go ahead and head to the thrift store. I'm going to be checking out a few different thrift stores today, but first we're checking out my local thrift store. I love stopping in here. It's a small little shop and today everything is 50% off. So let's see what we can find. The first thing that caught my eye as soon as I walked in were these woven white nightstands. They're $20 each, but on sale they're going to be $10 each, and I think they're such a cute style, especially for a kid's room. Just by doing a quick Google search, you can see how much a piece like this would go for, and I looked this up and all wicker nightstands are over $150, so this would be such a great steal, but I have nowhere to put them, so I'm gonna have to pass on the nightstands. Let's head over to the dishware. I always find good serving dishes and really unique cups and glasses at the thrift store. They have a ton of Christmas china right now, full sets that are beautiful, and this is just such a great way to get unique, gorgeous pieces for less. This entire set here is just $15, and they have all different styles and colors. I love that you can thrift dishes like this and get good quality pieces. This set here reminds me of something that I've actually seen at H&M Home. Very in style right now, a plain white plate with some nice gold edging. It's such a classic look that will stand the test of time, so pieces like this would be the perfect thing to pick up at the thrift store. You can't really go wrong with thrifting glasses. I always find beautiful cups and glasses at the thrift store, and they just add a sense of style to your cocktail, your dinner tables, your bar cart. There's so many fun things to find in here. This entire glass section is 99 cents each, but I guess with the sale, they're 50 cents each. So I love going through here and trying to find unique shaped glasses that I wouldn't be able to find anywhere else. Like this one. This one looks so elegant. It looks expensive, but it's just 50 cents, and I wish there was more of them because I would have bought the entire set. The shape and the gold rim is just so beautiful. Now this set is what I was looking for. Something cute, unique, something sparkly, has a little bit of detail, but that also has an entire set with it. So this set has 8 glasses. They're $2 each, which means they're $1 each, and they are gonna be the perfect thing to add to my house. I wanted some glasses that weren't a typical wine glass, something that was a little bit different, had a little bit more style to it, something special, and these are definitely special. So 8 of them are coming home with me. I actually came in here with the idea of finding a punch bowl, and I think I found the perfect one. Look how cute this bowl is. I love that scalloped edge on the top there, and it's just $1. So this has to come home with me. I love coming in here and trying to find all of those extra things you need for your kitchen. A punch bowl is not really a necessity, but you can always find all of those great additional pieces while thrifting. Hardcover books are always a great thing to thrift as well because you can create a lot of style in your home with these. At first glance you wouldn't agree, but look past the bright colored sleeve and look underneath at the book spine. So if you take off that book cover, you'll see a beautiful book underneath that can add a ton of color and style to your shelves. I'm always looking for more neutral colors, but by taking off that outer sleeve, you get more of that matte, elegant, old world look to your book. So always look past that outer sleeve. I just got out of my local thrift store. This is kind of where I check in every so often to see what they have, and I always find that they have good dishes. I just found a new punch bowl. I've never had a punch bowl before. I'm very excited. And really pretty glasses. Everything was $2, but 50% off, so everything was $1. I got everything for $9. So exciting. This is why you should go thrifting. It's such a great price, and you can find all the best pieces. Now let's head into the Habitat for Humanity Restore. This is where you're going to find a ton of thrifted furniture and marked down home improvement products and materials. So if you're doing any renovations or redecorating, head into a store like this because you will be shocked by the prices in here. This first aisle is actually all the antique pieces. So these are a little bit more special, they're higher in price, but I always see this mirror here. No one else has picked it up yet, but I have my eye on it. Let me know what you guys think of this mirror. I kind of wish there was no squares in the mirror, but I think I overall really like it. It's $175 in price, and I'm thinking it could be pretty on top of my fireplace. I think it's so fun looking at all the furniture in here, all the different styles. They have authentic vintage mid-century modern pieces. You can see that piece on the left there, and then it moves into more traditional looks. So you can really find something for every style in here that will really bring out a lot of character and add something special to your home. Take a look at the size of this warehouse. Everything is organized though, so it's not too overwhelming. They have all of the sofas together here. I don't normally look at a ton of the sofas because it's a little harder to clean soft items that you thrift, but this sofa here looks brand new. Beautiful mid-century modern style. I couldn't find the price on this one, but I did see these Ralph Lauren leather sofas that are completely marked down. If you're looking for a piece that's kind of aged leather, you could probably find it at a store like this. I find that Habitat for Humanity has large items, so large furniture and all the large-scale artwork. So if you're looking for a large frame, you could probably find it here at a good price. This piece here is pretty much the same size as me. I'm guessing it's about 4 feet in height, and if you want to kind of flip the frame or use it as is and go for this 80s look, you could get the entire thing for $150, which is an incredible price for the size of this piece. Now when I'm looking through the dining section, I go in here with the idea of refinishing a lot of these pieces. So this chair here, I could imagine it being stunning in black. I think black would make it look really modern and dynamic, but the overall look of it is so classic and beautiful. This entire set, table and chairs, is $275 but marked down 40% off. So if you go in here, you can kind of get pieces that would be perfect for a vintage kind of cottagey style, or you can think about refinishing them. This chair here totally reminds me of Goldilocks and the Three Bears for some reason. I just think it's that classic wood chair, and this piece is even more affordable. Sometimes when I come in here, I feel like I'm in a museum because you just learn some things. I love seeing furniture pieces that I've never seen before, like this table chair. This round table flips open and turns into a chair. How cool is that? It's $250 and it is such a unique piece. If you had space for it, I would just get it for a piece of art because it's so interesting. I specifically came here with the idea of finding a piece like this, a big wardrobe piece, something I could use in my upstairs hallway to hold extra linens and just all of our extra stuff. But I want it to be pretty, but I also don't want it to take up too much space. And I'm finding that a lot of these are very deep, and that's great for storage, but it just might jet out a little bit too much. These are stunning. I specifically like this simple wood one. I think it could be refinished, and I think it has enough detail in it, but not too much. So I really like this one. It's $175, but again, it's almost too deep where it's just going to take up too much space. So I might need to rethink my whole wardrobe idea and maybe come up with a different idea. If you're ever looking for a unique twin bed, they always have a huge selection here, and all the twin beds range from $150 to $200, so that's such an incredible price. They also have bunk beds here. Every time I come, there's a new bunk bed. This one is actually so great for space saving because behind these beautiful fluted doors is a huge wardrobe spot. So that's so cool. You probably don't even need any other furniture piece in a room. You could just have this, and there's a whole under area and top part. I think it's so cute, even if it was painted a color, and the entire bunk bed is $150, which again, that's totally unheard of. They have trundle beds in here as well, which is my favorite thing. I love how great they are for space saving and creating more of like a sleepover guest spot. But trust me, if you're looking for a little special bed, check out Habitat for Humanity. They always have such a great selection. Something I would absolutely recommend thrifting for your living room is a coffee table. If you can find a good quality, solid, large coffee table thrifted, you're gonna save yourself so much money, and it's one of those pieces that you can just easily clean or refinish. I love the idea of having a special, unique coffee table. Since it's the middle of your room, you can really use it as an accent piece. This one here is very cool, but it is very pricey because it's so special. So this is $500, which definitely is a good price for what it is. I love little things like this as well, just little accent pieces that you can have around your home that look a little bit aged, have some character to them. This would be perfect to just put at your front door, put your mail in, all your little things, and keep things really organized. Ooh, I love stumbling upon gorgeous benches like this. I think this is so beautiful as is. This bench is $120, and I think it's stunning as is, or you could paint it and kind of modernize it a little bit, but it's so beautiful. I love styling things like this by the front door, putting some pillows on there. Oh, I also saw this butler chair, something really interesting and different. This would look really gorgeous just styled in your bedroom or at the end of a hallway. It just has a little bit of a story behind it. Now moving into the office section, I found the cutest filing cabinets. I've never seen woven filing cabinets with gold detail like this. These are so cute, but I don't really have a purpose for filing cabinets right now, but I think they actually could be really cool as nightstands. I can see that one maybe has been in the sun more than the other because they're a little bit different in color, but how cool would that be? I even saw this wood filing cabinet, which is something different as well. It just adds a little bit more style to that necessity that is in every office. So really cool pieces. I also love this writing desk that I think could be used as a dining room table and double as a workspace because it has that little drawer there. It's only $75, which is such a steal. Again, may need some refinishing, but as long as you come in here with that idea and open mind, you'll find exactly what you're looking for. I just ran into the car. It's now raining. Our sunny thrifting day just turned into the rainiest day. So hopefully the rain's not too loud, but I didn't find anything this time at Habitat for Humanity, but it still was fun to go in there and just look at the possibilities. Because isn't it incredible what's in there? Full dining sets, amazing bunk beds, and beautiful dressers. Like if I needed a ton of furniture, that's where I would be heading. I'm gonna head over to my local Goodwill. There's a bunch of Goodwills around me, so I kind of just hop around and see what I can find. I usually find stuff at Goodwill. If you're looking for a place to thrift, I would start there because a ton of people donate to the Goodwill. It's somewhere where I tend to find lamps and dishes and ceramics. I found a lot of vases there, so let's head over there and check it out. I find that some Goodwills are very organized and some are a little messy. Mine is a little bit messy, so I have to go up and down aisles and just look everywhere to find all the good stuff. I found this vase. It's $12.99, which is a little pricey for the thrift store, but I think it's so perfect for my house. It has all the right colors. I've found vases like this at regular retailers, and I think this is such a great find, so I'm definitely putting that in my cart and taking that home with me. And again, you always have to check the dishes and kitchenware section because there's such great things in here. I found these large-scale flour and sugar canisters. If I had blue in my home, I would absolutely get those. Ooh, but I do really want to take home this large bowl. It's $5.99. It's perfect for serving families. So when I have family and friends in town, this would be the perfect thing to have out on the dining table. And I also have my eye on this bowl. Let me know what you guys think of this bowl. I love the fluted shape of it, but the top kind of shows this yellowy color that I'm not a huge fan of. So I think I might pass on it for now, but it is still really beautiful. And again, all of the plain dishes with the gold rim, I find these at every single thrift store. You could build an entire collection by just thrifting them. I love going thrifting and finding a very unexpected piece, and this time it's the pasta roller. I've always wanted one of these, but they do range in price from like $80 to $90 I find, and I found this for $17.99, so it's always worth waiting and looking at the thrift store to see what you can find. This has all the original packaging and everything wrapped in plastic at the bottom, so it looks like it's pretty much never been touched. I'm very excited about it. Okay, so I ended up leaving with 3 new pieces. I found a vase, as always. This is where I find all of my vases. Look how pretty this one is. The color matches my house perfectly. I love the brown, the contrast. It just looks like a handmade vintage vase. So I absolutely love this. I think it actually was handmade because the bottom has a little signature and a date on it, which says May 1976. So that's kind of cool. This was $12.99, which is kind of pricey for the thrift store, but again, if you're gonna find this at any other retailer, it would probably be like $30–40, so it's still a really great deal. I also found literally a brand new pasta maker. This is one of those pasta rollers where you can roll out your dough and it makes all the different shapes. I've actually always wanted one of these, but they're about like $80–90 every time I go to some kitchen store, and I got this for $17.99, so might as well pick it up, right? I looked inside and everything looks like it's not really been touched and all the pieces are there, so didn't expect to find a little appliance type of thing in there, but I'm so excited about this. And lastly, nothing crazy, but something I'm gonna use all the time. This giant bowl. I love that it's low and wide. I feel like it's perfect for like a big salad or a big pasta dish, like if you're serving guests. I always find all of my platters and bigger dishes at the thrift store because they're so much cheaper. So this was $5.99. Love the look of it. It's gonna match all of my other white dishes I have at home. So now I have all of my pretty little cups that I'm so excited about. My new punch bowl, this serving dish, my pasta maker, my new vase. These are all my favorite things to go thrifting for. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed coming along thrifting with me. I love taking you in the stores and showing you what the possibilities are. If you aren't currently a thrifter, I hope this video inspires you to get out there and see what you can find and find all the unique, affordable pieces for your home. And if you are a thrifter, I hope you guys enjoyed coming along shopping with me today. If you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!